Hi, welcome back to the channel Learn Google Sheets Automation. So today we will learn a new automation in Google Sheet where we will send these sheets as an Excel attachment on email, and it will be done by automatically. So basically I want to send these sheets to my team automatically on email as an Excel attachment. So as you can see, there is three worksheets in the Google Sheet. So let's do the automation here. So first you have to open the app script. So I have already made a script here, and we have to configure the sheet ID in the script. So this is the sheet ID. So let's paste here and second here. So I have made a setting sheet just like subject of email, membership expression within 2 months, and message of email, as you can customize here as accordingly. So here I have made automation to fetch the worksheets available in the Google Sheet. Let's delete here. As you can see, number of template. So I have three worksheet here. If you select the number of templates here, I want to send three of worksheets. So let's select three here and generate sheets. So as you can see, the sheet name is automatically fetched here. So as you can see, the sheet name is automatically comes here like data 1, data 2, and data 3. Moreover, you can enter the recipient email address here. Just put the email ID here. So I'm sending all the three worksheet to one person. So let's copy paste the email ID. So first install the settings, go to custom menu, install settings. So setting has been successfully installed here. So go to custom menu again and send email. So all the three worksheets will go to this email ID as an Excel attachment separately. Just wait for a second. It will take time because all the sheets is converting into Excel attachment. So here the script is finished. Go to email, just refresh it. So here it is. As you can see, the three email is receiving separately. First, open this. This is data 1 as you can see here, data 1 worksheet. So you can check the email message as we have configured here. And the Excel attachment is here. Just open this. Okay. So here is the data of data 1. As you can see, all the data of data 1 worksheet will automatically convert into Excel the whole database. Here it is. Let's open the rest too. As you can see, the file name will be automatically renamed as same. We have worksheet here, data 2 and then data 3. So we can send the worksheet into Excel attachment to anybody and any team member of without sharing them access and giving them access of your Google Sheet. You can separately giving them this data on email as Excel attachment. So I have done some more automation here. If you want to create a trigger, if you want to send these three database or this sheet, this three worksheet, you can create a daily trigger, right? And if you want to create a trigger on weekly basis, just go to trigger and go to weekly. A dialog box will be open here and it will ask a day of the week. Like I want to send the sheets on Wednesday. Just set a trigger here. So my trigger is configured here. Moreover, if you want to create a trigger on monthly basis, you can enter a date of month here, like 8th of, sorry, 10th of every month. You can select the 10th as a date and set trigger. And if you want to delete the all trigger, configure trigger, you can just click on there and delete all triggers. And your all trigger will be deleted here. So you can check again if you want to send only uh, one worksheet here or two worksheet here. Just select two here and generate sheets. Yeah, data 1 and data 2. So let's change the sheet name. So let's select the template here. It's already two. Let's generate the sheets. So as you can see, the same sheet name is fetched here. So it is very simple to send this data on email as an Excel attachment. Just just configure the email address here where you want to send. And moreover, you can customize your email subject and email message and put a trigger, and you can send data automatically as an Excel attachment to anybody. So if you like these automation, just like and share with others, so it can be helpful for others. And if you want to implement this automation, you can contact me. I will give my email address in the description box. So thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.